it fun? Say hi. I'm vlogging again. I'm vlogging again. You say hi to mommy's vlog. Hi vlog. This is Sophia. She's grown up now. Dito na aksidente yung anak ko before dyan.
Try it.
Diba? Is that including your face? Ulgulot sana. Makatapos na ni Justin sa salon. By the way, today is October 18. It's Saturday. Sa buong araw ngayon na ulit ako lumabas ng bahay. Hindi ko na-expect yung weather. Akala ko sa bahay lang namin malamig, pero shit. Sa labas pala talaga malamig, and it's giving a winter vibe. Parang winter na. Parang skate na yung autumn. Kaso nga lang, yung mga dahon yan, nakikita mo ba? Ayan. Green pa din yung mga dahon. Hindi pa rin nag-change ng colors kahit autumn na. Pero nakita ko sa ibang mga videos and pictures ng mga vloggers na sa ibang part ng Korea, nag-change na ng color. I think dito sa area namin medyo late lang. Nasa Incheon ako ngayon. So, medyo late lang yung ano. Kasi kahapon, mainit talaga. Naka-t-shirt pa nga ako, hindi sando. Naka-t-shirt pa ako kahapon. So, ngayon, biglang nag-drop yung temperature. And new haircut. Do you like your new hair?
Yeah.
How is it? Too short, I think. But it's good. It looks good. Show me your face. No, don't frown your face. Yes, you're so handsome.
Thanks.
Oh, we're at Frank's Burger right now. Kasi nagugutom na daw siya. Though yung bahay namin ay nasa harap lang din naman ng salon. Pero ayaw niya magmerienda sa bahay. Gusto niya dito kumain. Magastos na bata. Justin, you get your drinks. Don't mix. Oh, don't mix. Drinks did you get? Enjoy. Okay. Oh no, that's my stuff. You should ask your mom to eat.
I'll give it to Bobo Lucas.
Next time, Justin, listen to me. Next time, if you are with somebody, even that somebody does not want to eat and just sitting beside you, you should offer your food, okay?
No.
We call that nice gesture. Okay, it's an etiquette. Do you understand? No, how you were gonna ask? Let's eat together. Let's eat together. Okay? Huh?
Let's eat together.
Okay. You eat first. You eat first.
I eat much.
No, you eat first. Slowly, slowly. Now put your cup there. Okay, you bite it. You get the longest one. Oh, mine is the longest one. Wow. I could not eat that.
What?
Because I'm becoming fat. Do I look good on this face or thinner face?
This is.
This face is good. Why? Thinner is not good.
It's like you look at the mirror.
I look sick.
How about the ketchup? Open.
Trash. Yes. Just leave it there behind this. Yes. I will beat the lottery first. Kaya tayo guys sa lotto. Baka sakaling maging milyonaryo na ako bukas.
Do you want to be a billionaire?
Yes, I want to be a billionaire and I will be a billionaire. How about you? Do you want to be a billionaire?
Okay.
Don't say that. You have to say yes.
Why?
Of course, it will happen if you think positive. Tingnan niyo yung outfit nila, guys. Diba? Ang galing nung outfit, diba? Kasi nga, biglaan lang yung weather. Like, kahapon mainit. Siyempre, hindi pa nailalabas yung mga damit para sa winter or sa autumn. Kaya, ganyan. Diba? Fashion na fashion. Pero dito, normal lang naman yan. Let's beat the lottery. Here, here, here. 5,000원 자동.
5,000원
자동요?
자동.
감사합니다. 가자. Of course I want. Where do you want to go? Yeah! To be careful. 빨리 가. 이거 왜 열었어, 이거? 이거 왜 그래? 빨리 가. We will use an elevator.
Oh, Mom.
Hmm?
I think I'm gonna fall there.
It's just your imagination.
Imagination.
Justin, come on. Teach me how to ride a bicycle. Come. Come here. Walang tao ngayon. Though it's weekend.
If you ride
It's really cold. Huh?
this bike, will gonna broken.
No, of course not. Come.
Don't say okay.
No, I'm not heavy though. Come on. Try. I'm only 50 kilos.
You're 70 kilos.
No, I'm not.
Alright.
How?
Here is okay.
How do you learn?
How to pedal. Pedal. And push. Brake. Don't worry. Can I ride it? Okay. Oh, try it. Let's try it. I knew it. You're too heavy. You're 70 kilograms. Go straight. Faster.
Faster, do you want me to have an accident?
Yeah, it's okay, right? It's okay a little bit.
Yes.
This is a break. But this one is not working. It's not working.
Why?
There's a CCTV.
Oh, it's hot.
Let's go.
Guys, ako pa yung nagturo sa kanya magbike. Tapos ako hindi ako marunong magbike. Me, myself, I don't know how to ride a bike. Why your face is like that? Ow, I feel dizzy.
Let's go.
Yung mga dahon dito. Sabi nila, ano daw, late daw yung autumn ngayon compared nung mga nakaraang taon. Which is totoo nga. Dito parang, ay iba-iba pala. Ito may mga nalaglag na din ng mga dahon. Pero mostly, or karamihan sa mga leaves na andito ngayon, or na puro green pa. Ano daw, ang gulo ng sinasabi ko, B. Hindi ko maintindihan. Basta, green pa yung ibang mga dahon. Hello, sana all. Sana all sweet. Sana all. Ang bango naman. Ang bango na. Ang bango nila. Bike na ganito, hindi naman talaga ito yung right way. Hindi ito yung right way. Dapat nila dinadaanan. Illegal yung ginagawa nila. Pero bakit? Bakit sila nagda-drive sa sidewalk? Dito na aksidente yung anak ko before dyan. Sa may pedestrian sa harapan ng bahay namin. Magka-holding hands silang patawid. Tapos nabangga sila ng motor. Yung ganon. Yung nagdi-deliver ng motor. Though naka-green kasi. So tumawid yung magkapatid. Magka-holding hands. Tapos ito namang motor na ganyan. Ganyan guys. Like that. Bigla siyang lumiko. Tapos hindi niya daw nakita yung anak ko. Ay, ang laki-laki nung dalawang yun. Diba? Ayun. Nakulong siya. Nakulong siya. Nakakulong pa rin siya hanggang ngayon. 2 years siyang mag-stay sa kulungan. Dahil doon sa nangyari na yun. Kasi nga, sa harap to ng school, yung school is few meters away lang dito. So, dito sila tumawid. And cameras are everywhere. Syempre, welcome to Korea. CCTVs are, I think more than their citizens. Sobrang daming cameras dito. Alam nyo ba, bawat kibot dito may CCTVs. So we're here. Kailangan na namin umuwi kasi si Sofia tumawag na siya. Uuwi na daw siya. Walang tao sa bahay. Iiyak yun kasi siya lang mag-isa. Wala siyang madadatnan. Though kaya niya naman na umuwi mag-isa kasi nga yung bahay ng friend niya is nasa 15th floor and yung bahay namin is nasa 12th floor lang naman. So kaya niya naman nang buksan yung pinto. Pero ayaw niya kasi mag-isa. Takot siya. Nauna na si Justin. What happened? Huh? Kirissa? Is it fun? Say hi. I'm vlogging again. I'm vlogging again. You say hi to mommy. Hi vlog. This is Sophia. She's grown up now. Ang galang Sophia. 너 너무 차가워. 왜? 추워?
근데 안에 더워.
더워? Everyone, see you in our next vlog. Bye bye.